Hey there. Today, let's talk about a super refreshing drink that's perfect for keeping you hydrated and satisfied. Watermelon lemon drink. Watermelon is not just tasty, it's also full of water, which helps you stay hydrated, especially on hot days. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals that are good for your body. Lemons add a tangy twist to this drink and are packed with vitamin C, which supports your immune system and keeps you healthy. They also help to detoxify your body and aid digestion. Making this drink is easy peasy. Just blend some fresh watermelon chunks with a squeeze of lemon juice and some ice cubes. That's it. You've got yourself a delicious and hydrating beverage that's perfect for any time of day. So next time you're feeling thirsty, skip the sugary drinks and reach for this watermelon lemon drink instead. Your body will thank you for it. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more awesome content. Stay hydrated and happy sipping.